Welcome back to the channel, guys. We're at the Freedom Factory for the Spectator Drags and the Danger Ranger 9000. I cannot wait to get started, but we are almost late. Got to make the driver's meeting, and yeah, I'll catch you guys on the flip side.
And to go out on track, always come around the back of the building, and then you're going to go right in between the steps truck and chain link fence. When you win.
All right, so now that we've gone through tech inspection and did the driver's meeting, my car is good to go, and I'm ready to race. But I'm gonna need my helmet back. Besides, I think that's a little loose on you. Yeah, you're like a child in there.
I am a small human being.
No passengers during the race, but I think we're good for the parade lap, so let's see. Guys, I've never been on this side of the Freedom Factory. It feels so cool. I've been watching Cleetus at this place for years now. I've been here for a couple of the events, but to actually race here, it's an honor. It's gonna be a lot of fun. I know he's in there doing some filming. There's the Mustang. So cool. Got some of the racers ready to do the parade lap. Sweet vet.
Thank you. Don't hit it.
No guarantees. Don't hit mine. How about that? So right before the race, I decided I wanted to do a little work on the car. The main thing I wanted to do was get my decals on there. So hopefully you guys watching this, there's a few of you from this race. A few of you guys way over there watching me. And I am praying I don't crash and nobody crashes into me. Other visual stuff, watch out for the muck, are the stripes. Now there's some debate as to where the fender stripes came from on Corvettes. I personally like the idea of it being from Corvette racing history, and I just like the way they look. And I did an exhaust. Insert exhaust clip here. And that's it. Otherwise, she's stock. I would like to get a tune on the car probably before I race in December, but yeah, I'll be back here at the Freedom Factory in December for the Spectator Drags competition, the championship. And I hear cheering, so something might be happening. So many Rangers. Vehicle virgins.
What's going on?
Not used to hills. Oh, this should be fun.
Oh crap. I'm going to die.
You are not going to die. You'll be fine.
I'm getting the anticipation.
The anxiety?
Like a roller coaster.
It's not as crazy as a roller coaster. I've shown you. I am not doing that.
Good.
Oh, he spun out. That's what happens when you show off a little too much. Did you leave your traction control on? Is that what happened? great. Yep, that's Cleetus. Got it. I'll be good. That was what I needed to do. So if I can get the outside lane, I'll be a lot better off. Dude, your gas tank's open.
It's fine. Everything is fine.
All right, parade lap's done. I am on reserve gas. Oh boy. Hey, you guys are dealing with the same thing I am. I am on E. All right, we are up soon. I might be up against a Tesla. We will see. And yeah, I'm just gonna do the best I can and hope for a good time. In the meantime, wish me luck. I'm going to mount you up to the helmet, and I'll see you in a moment.
No, no cobalts, George. C4 Corvette versus Tesla. This is not a Model S, though. This is a Model 3. Hold on, is that a Blackhawk? Blackhawk. What the hell is that out there? So we got the Tesla against the Corvette and the green.
Come on, babe.
And that Tesla gets it through those
Careful, babe.
Ooh, on the grass. Everybody, can I get a you're done on 3 for being on the grass? So we got the Tesla against the Corvette and the green.
I managed to lose the race and embarrass myself. If you guys subscribed after that performance, y'all are crazy. I love you. And I guess I need some work done before I go back in December. Oh well. See you guys later. I'll be right back. All right, after that pitiful performance by me for my first time on the track, I'll do better, I promise. In the meantime, I think that's gonna be it. I'm gonna get some B-roll footage of some of the pit lane and stuff like that so that this can actually be a decent video. And yeah, introducing my girlfriend. This is Gabby, I'm Daniel, and we'll catch y'all on the next one.